One of the benefits of using a password management app, in this case, like 1Password, is if you're setting this up for a loved one who's going to use it on their computer, again, you need to set it up so that it's all working. You need to make sure that the extension's plugged in. But you also will want to set up what's referred to, and what 1Password refers to as the emergency kit. If I go up here and click on Manage My Account, you'll see it's going to log me in that I have the ability to save the emergency kit. I recommend that you do that. When you save the emergency kit, you click on that. It's going to generate the emergency kit. It's going to want you to download this. Now, when you download it, it's suggesting you print it out and put it in your cloud-based storage. You got to make sure that you don't lose this. I mean, what you're going to want to do, I'm going to show this to you. You're going to want to put the actual password that you're using to the account right there, because you need all of this information in order for you as the caregiver or the executor, or for them, the user, to be able to get back into their account. You need all of this information, and you want to make sure you put it in a safe place so that it doesn't get lost or accessed by the wrong people. So again, what I recommend you do is you get the password, the actual password of the account in there, and then save that. Now, why is that important? Let me show you how you can use this as a caregiver or an executor of the estate. Give me 1 second. Now I'm going to go to 1password.com. Now, right here is login. This is where all the magic starts. So if I click on sign in, look what it asked me for. I can use the 1Password on a mobile device if I want to, but if I want to just log in on this computer, then I need to have the email address to the account. And again, that's where this information right here is critical. So I get the email address, put that in there, hit continue. Now I need the secret key and the password. So let me get the secret key, copy that. And again, what I recommend you do is get that password here. I have to go get the password somewhere else because I don't have it there. And I need to put the password there. Now, I want to know, is this a public or shared computer, which is not, and I can hit sign in. This is what your executor, your trusted advisor, or you, if you're helping an older adult, this is how you get into their vault so you can do the things that you need to do for them. So again, as I said, you need to get that 1Password emergency kit, make sure it includes the password, save that document somewhere secure so that they can use it if they get locked out of their account, and or you as the trusted advisor or executor can use this to help them in the event that they can't get into their account. As another level of security, you may also want to set up the account recovery. So you set up recovery. You say, I understand, I'm responsible for managing this information. The 1Password cannot reset my passwords. I need to keep this information in a secure place. Generate the recovery code. So when you generate this recovery code, not only does the system want to make sure you have it, it wants you to save it and or print it. And you're going to need to know that in order to go to the next step, because when you hit next, it wants you to paste that in there, and then then you can hit confirm and finish so that the system knows that you have a recovery code. Can I get to it from here? I can replace it or delete it, but I can't see it from here, which is why you need to make sure that you've saved it in someplace safe. It's the combination of the emergency kit and the recovery code that are important so that you and or your loved one never lose access to your 1Password password management system. I'm Teddy. My goal is to help you be safe, help you be wise, help you to use technology in a safer way. And I hope this video about 1Password recovery and 1Password emergency kit is useful for you.